Pie charts. In this chapter, we will study pie charts and see how to solve problems related to pie charts. When two lines are drawn on the surface of a circle, then the area covering it is called a sector of a circle. Many sectors can be drawn in the circle. Each slice section of the pie shows the portion of the entire pie allocated to each category. The sectors of the circle are constructed in such a way that the area of each sector is proportional to the corresponding value of the component of the data. Also, according to geometry, the area of the sector of a circle is proportional to the central angle. Hence, data can be plotted with respect to only one parameter. This method is also useful for representing proportions or percentages of various elements with respect to the total quantity. As we know that the sum of all central angles is 360, hence, central angle of the components is given by this formula shown on the screen. Now let's go through type 1 of pie charts, where we are dealing with only one pie chart. Study the following pie chart carefully to answer the questions that follows. The pie chart shows degree-wise breakup of expenditures of a family in a month. The total amount spent in a month is Rs 45,800. What is the amount spent by the family on commuting? The corresponding angle of commuting is 79.2 degrees. According to the pie chart, 360 degree is 45,800. Hence, the amount spent by the family on commuting is Rs 10,076. What is the respective ratio of amount spent by the family on medicine to the amount spent on groceries? The required ratio is 39.2 degrees is to 82.8 degrees. If we divide both these angles with 360 degree, the ratio becomes 11 is to 23. What is the total amount spent by the family on entertainment and shopping together? Solution. Corresponding angles of entertainment and shopping together is 104.4 degrees. Hence, the total amount spent by the family on entertainment and shopping together is Rs 13,282. Total amount spent by the family on groceries, entertainment, and investment together forms approximately what percent of the amount spent on commuting? Solution. Corresponding total angles of groceries, entertainment, and investment together, we get 172.8 degrees. Corresponding angle for commuting is 79.2 degrees. The total amount spent by the family on groceries, entertainment, and investment together forms approximately 218% of the amount spent on commuting. Let's go through type 2 of pie charts, where we are dealing with more than one pie chart. Study these pie charts and answer the following questions. Chart 1 shows the distribution of 12 million tons of crude oil transported through different modes over a specific period of time. Chart 2 shows the distribution of the cost of transporting this crude oil. The total cost was Rs 30 million. What is the rough cost in rupees per ton of oil moved by rail and road? Solution. From chart 2, it is clear that cost in rupees of oil moved by rail and road is 18% of 30 million. Hence, the answer is as shown on the screen. From chart 1, we can see that the volume of oil transported by rail and road is 31% of 12 million ton, that is 3.72 million ton. Hence, the cost in rupees per ton for the oil moved by the rail and road is 1.5 million. What is the cheapest mode of transportation? Solution. If we calculate the ratio of cost to volume for each mode of transport, then from these calculations, it is clear that road is the cheapest mode of transport.